If you look that I am in the Garpen area right now, then the chart says there are 2 aisles. But with my eye, I see only rocks. So I then think 2 aisles, where are the aisles? And is it safe to continue?
Record 131 and speed 5 knots. This is Swedish naval control on channel 16 over.
The moment that they start calling all the digits for your position, then we are talking about a boat without AIS. Little by little, I am heading to the Netherlands. And I dropped anchor near the e04 isle. I moved because of change of wind direction. And it seems that for the next coming 3, 4, 5 hours, the wind is decreasing in strength, and that means that I will go south. At the moment I have the plan to go to the Vendelsö isle, and because of change in wind direction and strength, it will increase during the evening and the night, then I am in another protected area. So, pick up the hook. Off we go. What is with your neck? You look funny. Yeah. This night I woke up and I thought, a little bit of nastiness in my neck. But other than that, I am okay.
011 degrees, 07 minutes east. Record 131 and speed 5 knots. This is Swedish naval control on channel 16. Over.
The moment that they start calling all the digits for your position, then we are talking about a boat without AIS. When I came this way on channel 16, it was what was it? A call similar, and then they responded and they say, we are a Russian warship. Well, that brought the conversation to another level, I can tell you. Yeah, the Russians were just having an holiday with their warship. So, and all of a sudden there is sun in Sweden. We had some lovely days already. We had some lovely days. Okay, here are a couple of rocks since we are in Sweden. Woohoo! So, we continue on one engine. Stop. Goodbye, Akuro. Goodbye. Thank you for the hospitality. Every day I tell myself what a rich man I am. That I have the opportunity to take my house, my home. This is not a house, it is my home. That I can take my home to places like these. New horizons and new surroundings. Exploring new areas. In a, for me, safe haven. Yep. Okay, let's have a look. Last night we had quite some winds. And the Kattegat can have some nasty swells the moment that we arrive over there. And I don't want anything to prove gravity. Gravity is pulling against me. I have no idea if that are the correct lyrics. Gravity, that is, tries to hold me down. And you continue. Da 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 da. Well, yeah, I better switch off the camera and start singing by myself. I told you so. She started dancing the moment that she saw the Kattegat. One of the difficulties of cruising in Sweden are rocks on the horizon. Because if you look that I am in the Garpen area right now, then the chart says there are 2 isles. But with my eye, I see only rocks. So I then think 2 isles, 2 isles. Where are the isles and is it safe to continue? Well, luckily GPS tells me the position of the boat and the position of these isles. And then the moment that you are close by, 300-400 meters, then all of a sudden you see, now I see the first isle, and then I see the second. So perhaps this first isle is called Garpen, and then the second one behind it, it is called Ling. And then between these isles, because we have Heest on port and Garpen and Ling on starboard, you see these waves, and they look different from before. And there behind it the water is almost level, and that is because there is this bar of 6.5 meters. So behind me it is 21 and 24 meters of depth, and then over here it is 6.5 meters, and then further on it is 21 again. Charlotte, I would almost say it is a Linsen boat from the Netherlands. Yes, coffee time. Well, it's 11:30 at the moment already. So yeah, I'm a little bit late, but yeah, who cares? Because I think that you do not watch this video at 10 o'clock exactly. I suggest you pause the video, grab something to drink and to eat. I am addicted to these cookies. Oh, they are so nice. And we enjoy this joyful moment together. Cheers, and thank you for being aboard Lady Liselot in this video. By the way, this also is a nice spot to drop anchor. There are some mooring buoys over there, and then the village can enjoy the boats on anchor. For the last hour I have been pushing the engine, even running 2300 RPMs. I tried to have the same speed as the waves, so that I could do a little surfing. I failed. Yeah. Well, at least you tried. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, oh. Did you see that? My autopilot was on and she did not like it that I touched the wheel. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Yes. So, welcome in the Vendelsö fjorden. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. One would almost say, and that is because of the sandy beach, this is not Sweden. Yeah, well, Denmark is close by, and if I show you this footage and tell you this is Denmark, I think that you will believe it. I have never been to Sweden. I'm just cruising through the Netherlands and then I tell you that it is Sweden. Fake news. Who told you so? Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. All of a sudden I saw this yellowish water. Did somebody pee in the water? No, 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 no. The sun made it yellow. because it is shallow, so it is yellow. Yeah, still a man. I cannot do two things at the same time. Well, most of the time I cannot. So I was chatting to you when I did not pay attention to my chart. And then all of a sudden I saw this yellowish, light green water in front of me, and I thought, I don't want to be there. I don't want to be there. The depth over here is 2 meters. And if you look outside, yeah, it already starts becoming more Denmark. Oh, yeah, 1.6. Yeah, in the sand. We are in the sand. Stuck. Funny. All right. Second attempt. 3 meters now. There is a crab pot. I think it's a crab pot. At least it's a bowl in the water. And there, over there, there is a sign telling me that there is a cable. Okay, I will remove the strap from the anchor and then we drop anchor. That's simple. So, a little bit forward. Yeah, and now a little bit backwards to test the snubber and give the anchor the opportunity to dig in. Yep, it works. You can see it by the movement. Ooh. I cannot move, I cannot move, I cannot move. Alright, stop, stop. Yeah, and as always, whilst dropping anchor or mooring somewhere, it means that this is the end of the film. Thank you for the fact that you watched until the end. I guess you liked it. Please let me know by giving me the thumbs up. It also helps in growing the channel. So, what a beautiful spot. It will be my last anchor spot in Sweden. It is an emotional moment and you are part of it. So, dropping anchor near the Isle Vendelsö in the Vendelsö fjord. And then tomorrow or the day after I will leave for Denmark, depending on wind expectations, etc, etc. But this is a lovely spot to say goodbye, Sweden. Thank you for all the hospitality. It was a pleasure to have you in my videos as new horizons and surroundings. Yeah. So, how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then. Bye bye. I think that I will pour out another cup of coffee and then I will have that one on the bow in the sun. Yep, that's what I am going to do.